Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2010 Buick Enclave. Alright, we're going to first grab the battery, go ahead and drop it into the compartment. This is actually located behind the passenger seat and the passenger compartment. Weird, right? So let's go ahead and drop the battery in there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is secure the battery down. So we're going to grab the bracket and the bolt and secure it down here. It goes way down here. Alright, you're going to be needing a size 13mm socket with an extension to be able to reach all the way down there. Let's go ahead and secure that down. Alright, once nice and secured, that sucker ain't going anywhere. Now let's go ahead and grab our cables, our positive side, and swing it over and connect it over to the positive side, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and secure this down with a size 10mm socket. There it is. Let's go ahead and secure this down. And if you don't have enough room, you can always move the seat up forward. Alright, perfect. Go ahead and close that down. We also disconnected this so it wouldn't be in the way. So let's go ahead and plug this pigtail back in. Alright, and there it is. And now we're going to grab the negative. Go ahead and put that in there. We're going to also tie this down with a size 10. There it is, nice and secured. Put those cables back down. Let's put this cover back into place just like so. Let's grab our bolt to secure this down. Use Torx 20 to secure this lid. Then we'll put this trim back into place. Just slide everything down. Just gonna go underneath here. There it is. And that is how you install a new battery on this 2010 Buick. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.